On today's episode of Crypto Daily, we are going to be taking a look at some stuff. Slow down!
A few moments later.
On today's episode of Crypto Daily, Bitcoin is at 6,000 something. Everyone wants to know when it's going back to 20. And altcoins have released news that they are going to release some news. All of that and more in today's episode. So stay tuned.
6.5 hours later.
Yeah, that wasn't working. We'll do this instead. So as usual, a little bit of more important general news that could affect the market before we get on to some more specific altcoin news. The one that is quite big is Mt. Gox is in the news again. This time, not necessarily for something bad, although it's not good. Well, it's kind of good and bad. So the bad news is if you did use Mt. Gox, you're getting about $450 for every Bitcoin that you lost. Not quite 6,500, not quite 20, but something. I don't even know if most people would want that. More like a slap in the face. So on the other hand, the good news is that Mt. Gox has been ordered to stop selling any more Bitcoin. At least for now, at least until the creditors are reimbursed their $450. And that's going to take at least until like mid-2019, so at least until then, no more dumping on the markets. Hopefully. All right, let's do a really quick fire news for you. Okay, so VeChain, Binance is going to support the mainnet swap. Links to all of this stuff down below. Nano, the iOS wallet, is now available. IOTA partners with Sinopec, one of the largest Taiwanese-based financial holding companies operating out there. IOST have come back. They have announced what their big announcement was going to be. It is Blue Hill's $50 million pledge to support partnerships and dApp development on IOST. And 7 new partnerships have been announced. I don't really recognize these names. Maybe some of you do. Certic, Origo, Rate3. Anyway, the link is below. Centrality, a blockchain venture studio to create marketplace of apps, have partnered with Amazon Web Service, which is cloud computing. Exactly how far this partnership goes is always a little bit vague, but again, more details down below. Grid Plus is one of the few coins that are in the green today. The reason for that is the state of Texas has certified them as a retail electric provider, so they have some sort of legal standing. They leverage the Ethereum blockchain to give consumers access to wholesale energy markets. And lastly, Nulls, a highly customizable open source modular blockchain project, has got their mainnet launch announced. It is set for release soon, July 12th. July 12th. All right, was that fast enough? I think so. All right, that's it for the news. Just I suppose a little bit of a topic I want to discuss, which was Crypto Daily. You always talk about the prices. I thought you were in it for the tech. I think the great thing about Bitcoin is that they are one and the same. If you want adoption, if you want usage, then you should want an increase of price, because that's what gets people interested. SEC sells, also money sells. Crypto Daily 2018. You heard it here. This is my last video out here. I'm in Crete, for those of you who are asking. A place called Alunda, halfway up a mountain. Really, really nice. But yeah, traveling home back tomorrow, but I won't be home until Sunday. So expect a video from me again on Tuesday. Hopefully the market doesn't crash in that time, but I doubt it can. Doesn't seem to be going much above 6K anyway. All right, I'll see you guys later.